ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಮ್ಮ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಜೀಪೇ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ. ಹಾಂ ಹೊರಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಲಾಕ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆನೇ. ಹಾಂ ಬಾಯ್. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಬಾಯ್. I started getting ready like 2.5 hours ago and I'm still late. $500 PhonePe.
Ese bombero. कैसे पहना है क्या नाम Pedro Pedro
Hello. Am I too late? Am I too late? Okay. Awesome. You go, you go.
You have map.
Okay, I see. Just want to make sure. Are they also coming from here?
Not sure.
Should we just go?
Just go.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so today we are going to a pretty unique place. It's one of my friends' farms apparently. I've never been there before, so I thought, can be a pretty good getaway trip for the weekend.
For some reason I can't explain.
Yeah, nothing. Are you guys on the way? Okay. Okay. Okay, he's getting fuel right now. We are near the Chamundi Vettaka, the junction thing. Ah, oh, you're going through ISKCON. Okay, okay. Wait, let me tell you where exactly we are, so that we might be able to wait for you. Nanjangud Ring Road. You're coming here only, no? Yeah, he's getting fuel. Yeah. Ah, yeah, you're actually so true. Yeah, anyway, just wanted to let you know you can call me like anytime. I have my mic connected, so. Where did you text? Don't text. I can't text you back. You can call me. Yeah, because I have mic, no, so. Yeah. I sent to Mahati. I'll send to you also. Wait, actually no. I'll send you Google Live location. Wait, so he's gonna go there, so let me. Wait, bro, 1 sec. How do I send my live location? Share ride progress. Yeah. Copy. I copy. I'm sending to India. Yo, India, you can watch me now. By the way, on this location, I think it's set to Chamarajanagar, but I know we are not going all the way there. Anyway, we'll wait for you, I think. Where is he? Yeah. Yeah, okay. I'm waiting for him. Oh, he's over there. So he's getting fuel. Very fuel hungry bike, brother. But with a small stomach, so it has to keep eating all the time. Can you see me? Is the location working? Okay, perfect. How long do you think you'll be here? By 10 minutes? What? That's crazy. You're coming that slow. Hey, go, bro. We won't wait for you then. What? We're going at our comfortable pace. Even if we slow down, it's risky. Yeah, okay, we'll stay. We'll wait for you, but no promise that we are gonna stay behind you. Bye. Yes, Marty, tell me. Ah, okay. That can help. Thank you. Oh, sorry, I was out of fuel. Yeah, cool. You got fuel now? Okay, cool. We'll wait for them. They're gonna be here in like 2-3 minutes. Okay. And then we'll go on our way again. She also sent the location, like a tentative location. How far is it from here? I'm checking right now. It's 30 minutes from here. 30 minutes from here? Yeah.
22 kilometers.
Yes. But that's not exactly the location we are going to. It's somewhere nearby. So how you been? By the way, I totally forgot your name.
Devan.
Say that again.
Devan.
J1.
D-E-V-A-N. Devan Arya.
Oh, Devan.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Devan. Sorry about that.
You're so cool. Like, you're completely geared up. I
Yeah.
want to be like you.
Yeah. I got these like pretty new actually. It's been 3 months now.
3 months.
Yeah, all of the gear. I bought them all for a Pune trip that I went last month.
Pune.
Yeah.
How was that?
Hmm?
How was the trip?
Oh, it was a lot of stuff happened. I even crashed twice.
Oh my god.
But off-road, I crashed off-road. I'm very careful on road.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know this.
I get too cocky off-road when I know I'm alone.
Okay.
I'm sharing our location too with them.
Damn, okay, fine. It's been a while since I came outside. It's nice.
Yeah, same actually.
Driving here is nice.
Mhm.
Driving in the city is so frustrating.
Yeah, it's just the traffic everywhere.
It's the traffic. I can't deal with it. This is nice.
I kind of like traffic too. It's a different kind of, liking.
Okay. I mean, you've been to a long drive, so
Yeah,
makes
yeah.
sense. I want to go on a long drive actually. We were planning to going to Ooty.
Nice. I've never been to Ooty actually.
You've never been to Ooty?
No.
Okay. First time, like after I bought the bike, it was 2 weeks ago.
Mhm.
We went to Govindraj Hills.
Okay.
80 kilometers going, 80 kilometers coming. And it
Nice.
was pretty good.
Mhm. Did you feel tired?
No, not at all.
Okay, nice. Yeah. Nice.
So, and I was planning to buy gloves. Like all of my friends had bought gloves. I'm like, okay, fine. Like,
Yeah.
might as well invest in it because your hands are the first thing that goes to the ground.
Exactly,
right?
yeah.
So I'm like, fine. I have a leather jacket. I'll buy a gloves. And I was thinking of Rhinox gloves. It's like 4K, I think that one.
Which one?
I think it's 3K. I forgot the name.
Oh, Mark 3 or something.
Yeah, Mark 3.
Storm Evo Mark 3.
Yes, yes,
Right,
yes.
Yeah. I was considering either that
Okay.
or this one, which is the
It's the
Vyaterra
Gauntlet, right?
Grid Mark 2 or something. I don't
Okay,
know.
Mark 2.
But both are like very similarly priced and very similar. I just really like these vents. So I got.
So you're like, I'll buy it.
I was like, I love
Oh
these
my
vents. Even that has vents, but it's not as splashy.
It's this one, right?
Oh, the whole shot. So it's not a full gauntlet.
This is not a full gauntlet. This is half, right?
Yeah, that is half.
is
That's
half.
the whole shot.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a different one.
Which do
I
you
was
like?
talking about Storm Evo, which is full gauntlet.
Oh, okay.
I recommend full gauntlet unless full gauntlets will make you feel so uncomfortable that you don't even wear them every day. Wearing them is better than not wearing.
Not wearing them.
Yeah. So
That is correct.
at least wear something comfortable.
Correct. Wait, this is the one you were talking about, right? Evo 2. This is.
Yes.
I've seen so many reviews. It's really good. Is what I've heard.
Yeah.
I have to see. I don't know what I'm planning to buy.
So just keep one thing in mind when you're. Oh, I recommend there are like a couple Rhinox shops in Mysore.
Bike studio.
Yeah, one bike studio, and then there's another just for Rhinox and Vyaterra.
Which is Rhinox and Vyaterra?
Yeah, they're like authenticated by Rhinox and Vyaterra. They get directly from the factory.
Which one? What is the name?
Pro Bikers.
Pro Biker.
Yeah. And he's a very cool guy. Like the shopkeeper, he will like suggest you everything. He will ask you questions. Like he'll try to understand you and stuff.
Okay, I've never heard of this place.
I bought only the pants from him actually. Everything else I bought online.
Okay.
But I did test them once in Pro Bikers.
There.
I also went to Bike Studio, but then they didn't have a lot of choices.
They don't have much.
Yeah.
They have Rhinox, I think 3 or 4 sets. That's all.
Yeah, that's all. Even for shoes, I had to go all the way to Bangalore for these boots.
You went to Bangalore?
Yeah, just to get the boots, I went to Bangalore.
Oh.
These are Royal Enfield boots. Very good actually.
Oh.
11K.
Cool. 11K? Oh my god.
They're like they're stupidly hard.
Are they comfortable though?
So these are adventure boots. Adventure boots are known for how uncomfortable they are.
But they're extremely safe.
Oh, they're very safe.
Okay.
I mean, they're not the safest. The safest thing to buy would be racing boots.
Racing boots.
Because they'll be like
hard
at
on-
least 20k.
Yeah, that is that.
But yeah, so I don't think it'll be a problem for you, but because I have drum brakes on my rear, I have to push down my brake all the way in, right? So that is one. Even right now, it's not like I can still slide the bike.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
not-
I'm trying my best to put down the rear gear,
Funny
but I
enough,
don't rely on my rear gear as much,
It's
so I don't mind
completely
it.
It's completely front.
What's completely front?
The brakes.
Oh no, I use both.
You use
but then
both,
I
but
rely more on the
rely
front.
more on the front.
Yeah.
Funny thing, I was cleaning my chain, and diesel is fallen on the plates.
How?
It doesn't hit the brakes. It's very
What
less.
the fuck, dude?
Yeah. So
How did diesel go there?
I hit diesel to clean the
Oh,
chains.
diesel wash.
Yeah,
Okay,
diesel
okay,
wash.
okay.
Then I cleaned it, and then I drove around. I'm hitting it. There's nothing. Like there's very.
But it's a disc brake.
It's disc.
Is it still the same problem?
Yes. I have to get it cleaned,
Yeah. You
chemical washed.
should. That's crazy, bro.
But yeah. I thought when I give it a service, I'll get it cleaned, but it's like 8k more, so I'm like, fine, I'll just get it before that.
What's the Odo right now?
It's 2.9.
2.9k. So they recommended at how much?
8.
Oh wait. So what at 1k you're supposed to make one service?
First service,
Yeah, and then first service, and then every 8k.
every 10k.
Every
But
10k.
people
okay.
are like, just do it at 7 or 8k. Don't
Right.
run it till 10.
Yeah, either 10k or like a year or something. I
Or a
don't
year,
know.
right.
It's in your manual.
Yes, correct. I think mine is gonna be here at this rate because I'm not driving it too much.
I see.
I go to college, come back from college. Go to college, come back. Yeah, so I should drive more.
Oh, is that them? No, that's not it. Never mind.
Did they send the location?
They didn't send their location, but they can see us.
So I asked my sister to send location, and she sent home location. I told her to send
Home
live
location. Awesome.
Oh god.
Let's go back home now. Oh, also, just letting you know,
Okay.
I know you have a fast bike,
Yeah.
but in case you feel like you're being overwhelmed or like if I'm too fast,
No.
just let me know.
Okay, sure. The
Don't
way
wanna
you
mess up.
corner is good. You do the complete dive.
Yeah.
Like you go all in.
Yeah.
Go to GP.
Dude, this is actually nothing. During the guards section and stuff.
Okay.
Oh, that's a speed, right?
No, that's a scrambler.
Oh no, yeah, that's a scrambler. Yeah, another scrambler. Bruh, Google thought I was talking to Google. No. Yeah, what was I saying?
You have the communication comms?
Yeah.
You-
I have the blue armor, but it's universal. Any
It's
other
universal,
comms also.
okay. I sort of looked at. Hey, what are the names, dude? I forgot.
Senna, Cardo, right? Yeah.
11k.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with either Senna or
Or
Cardo. This is a new one. This is a new brand actually.
This is a new one. What is it called?
Blue Armor. They have the best bang for the buck right now, but they're not very polished as polished as Senna or Cardo,
Okay,
right?
okay.
Because they're an Indian company. This is not the one I have. I have just the C50, not the Pro version. I got it for 13k. It's actually 16k, but I got it on offer
Okay.
in one of the helmet stores.
Where did you buy it?
So there's this, what's it called? I think Jain Auto Center. It's in 100 Feet Road or
Yes,
what?
my dad knows that person.
Oh really?
Yeah, so hopefully even I get a buck for it.
Oh nice, dude. Yeah, I go there every time. I got this helmet there too.
Oh, you got the helmet there? I got the helmet there itself.
Awesome. SMK. Nice.
C50. Is it good?
This one,
Right, yeah.
it is glitchy.
It's glitchy.
But it's not glitchy.
Okay.
It's not glitchy on the go. But then updating it is glitchy.
Okay.
And like changing the settings is
It's glitchy.
But then once you're set, you're set.
That's fine after
Yeah.
that.
But audio quality is very good.
Audio quality is good.
It's as close as Senna I've heard. I've not tried Senna.
Okay, the
But-
speakers are pretty good.
Oh yeah, the
great.
speakers are very good.
Okay. I have to check it out. I mean, it's pretty expensive, so.
Yeah. It's not a high priority unless you're going on a long ride,
Drive, correct.
especially when you're with people.
With people?
Or I got it, even I like solo driving, but I still got it just in case, like I need to call my family
Mhm,
on
you
the
can
way,
talk easily,
or they
right?
can call me. Just the
Yeah,
freedom
correct.
of them calling me anytime.
Anytime, yeah.
Exactly.
You don't have to remove your phone. Why did you get a
Exactly.
stand?
Yeah, I think you can get one here.
I'm scared of, keeping my phone there because for the vibrations.
Oh right, yeah.
The stabilization gets fucked up.
Yeah, exactly. So mine's already fucked up. my phone stabilizer is already fucked up.
Okay.
But this one, I think this is Boba. Yeah, Boba.
Boba.
It's their higher version something.
Okay.
They claim that they have some kind of dampening in there, which I think they do, but it's not as
Good as what they
as other like quad locks or whatever.
Okay.
Oh wait, that's the 6E, no? Or whatever, the Mahindra.
Yeah.
Or is that Creta?
I think it's curved, right?
Oh, is that curve?
It's curved.
It could be curve. They both look very. Yeah, it's curve.
It's curved.
You're right.
You scared me for a second.
Yeah, I thought it was. It looked like that for a second. They both are very
They
similar.
both agree. Curve looks pretty. I don't know. It doesn't look that good to the eyes from the back, but from the front it looks really good.
Yeah, I do agree. Even the side look I really like.
Even the side, yeah. There's so much of increase for electric vehicles now.
Oh yeah,
It's kind of nice.
yeah, it's very nice. And the main reason I love electric vehicles is that they don't have gears, right?
They
So
don't have
you
gears.
get the instant torque. There's no,
Instant torque.
especially coming from a Royal
Yeah.
Enfield.
Royal
It takes 2 business days to throttle up.
My friends all have Meteors. Two Meteors. I have this, and one more person has Charisma.
Nice.
I drove
Oh, Charisma, dude, so good.
It's so good.
Yeah,
It pulls like a charm.
yeah, it's very underrated. Very underrated.
Yeah. And that guy takes care of it so well.
Nice,
It is so nice to drive that.
nice.
But then it doesn't have brakes, so you should get it.
What? Wait, what?
No one has
It doesn't have
dude.
brakes?
They don't have brakes. Back brakes, only front brake.
What is going on?
It's half front brake ABS. It's 13-year-old bike.
By the way, I'm recording.
Oh, shit.
I can cut it out if you want. I
That's
don't-
fine. That's fine.
I'm not gonna edit any videos or whatever. I just for my documentation.
Okay. That's all good.
Where are they, dude? Let me
On
call
there, finish
Mahathi.
everything and just come back.
Are you guys here yet? What? Samudrava? We are near the circle, Nanjangud circle. Did you cross Ring Road? Did you go away from Ring Road? Toda. So you crossed Ring Road is what you're saying? Bro, Mysore Ring Road. What other ring road is here? Oh, you're away from Ring Road now. Okay, we're still waiting in Ring Road, bro. I was expecting you guys to call. Okay, we are gonna be on our way. Okay, we'll meet you somewhere there, I guess. Somewhere on the way. No, it's okay. You can watch. You check my live location, bro. Oh, one sec, bro. Apparently, I'm not sharing my live location. Share ride progress. I'm gonna send it again. Maybe because I changed the destination once Mahathi sent a new one, you know. I'm sending it to Mahathi and Vindhya. Where is Vindhya? ನಾನಾ ಸರಿ ಹೇಳೋತ್ತಾನೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಲೈವ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಐ ಸೆಂಟ್ ನೌ ಯಾ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ರೈಟ್ ಬೈ ದ ವೇ ರೈಟ್ ಯಾ ಓಕೆ of airport distance is what I'm looking for. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. What are you guys doing? Chilling? Hello. Oh yeah, I do remember. I don't remember the word. Why did what are you guys doing, by the way? God actually let me on the conversation. So I don't know. I haven't kept up on Marvel like very far. You have to speak louder. Otherwise, now you're speaking too much clearer. I'm riding right now. What is that? You should not hear any noise coming from wait, opening airport. Oh, this time they're upgrading the airport. Yeah, I'm staying slow because I don't want to cross. Oh, toll gate ahead. You know what's very cool? You don't have to pay toll. What? Go away. Who told you? No, bro, that's foul, that's foul. That's not fair. That's not fair. No, is it only like in Karnataka, Mysore, or everywhere? Behind me because he doesn't have mask. Wait, his name is Devan, no? His name is Devan, no? He told me his name is Devan. Stupid India. I'm not mad, I'm Kanwa. Now you're confusing everyone's name. Hey, come on, that was a good joke, bro. Yeah, you're not, Vindhya, you're not wrong. All or you're not even right, you're got lost in the stars in the cold. Fiber cooler. Am I supposed to look at the monument now? What's the picture? Ah, yeah, it's in the building. Now we cross the picture. Thank you for being here. It's okay, it is a notice. Wait, am I supposed to look at the monument now? Where is it? Oh shit, I almost crashed, dude. I was keeping my eye on the right side. I was kidding, I'm good. What is it here? MIT, bro. Hey, but they'll get to have a nice ride every day. They take that. I'm just saying, I know, that's why I'm fucking very cool. It's not they are worse than this if it's too far away. This doesn't require you to be in the line of sight. Walkie-talkie. Yeah, I'm just day one. There's a lot of traffic. at your back, guys. There's like there's a lot of wind. Out of the flyover, assuming there's another result. Oh, now welcome to Nanjangud. Let's go. Yo, oh, we have to. Okay, right side, right? What is this place? No, I mean on the left side. Wait, is that like flooded? Yo, wanna do a photo shoot? Oh no, yes, we are catching. Oh, we have to take a left here, right? Wait, actually we'll wait for you. Because we don't know the way. What rules am I breaking? I don't have hazard lights feature on my bike. It's not my fault. It's not legal to have. I mean, it's not illegal to not have hazard lights. It's not. It's the least thing from fancy. Okay, yeah, I do have every accessory very fancy, but the bike is not that fancy to be honest. Did you just say Suhani? Mahati, what did you just say? Follow them, no? Huh? We'll follow them, no? Yeah. Who are you asking? Me, my life. Oh, you don't want to know my life. For some reason I can't explain. Bro, we can't contain ourselves from not throttling out, bro. Oh, Samudra School. Aryan did not know. I think he's a little bit ahead. Hopefully he'll come back. Okay, that's you, right? Yeah, okay. He's ahead, he's ahead. Oh no, he's right ahead. I love off-road, that's it. I'm gonna off-road again. Oh, I love this road actually. It's just the right amount of fucked up. Where are you guys? Oh, we had a blast coming through here. Wanna do that again?
That was fun.
Huh?
That was great.
That was good. You wanna do that again? Go and come back again. Okay, guys, we're gonna do that again. You take a left after here, right? We're gonna do that again. It was way too fun. Guys, Mahati. Right, yeah, that was my question. Yeah, got it. Yep, got it. That was so fun. We are coming back now. We're all the way back to the main road. No, not there. We're back to the main road. Yeah. No, are you there already? Oh, so sorry to make you guys wait. That was a jerk move of us. We just enjoyed this road so much. We had to do it again. Because of the fucking okay. Are you asking? No, we're back. We're back. We're here. We're here. Yep. We took the left first. Another like dirt road left. Ah, okay. Okay. Okay, we're in the village. Yep, see you, see you. Wow, look at your left, guys. Look at the clouds. Bro, I love this weather. So good. Guys, light mode what? Light mode what? Bugs. Oh my god, I just realized it now. Okay, actually a good one.
That was good.
Yeah, that was good.
I've never like ridden while standing.
Ah.
So it was